Yeah, so I think we see value in that approach across all our use cases. So
Hmm.
obviously we're trying to match candidates and hirers with jobs. So a lot of our work is in search and recommenders to match candidates and jobs together. We also do work around pricing and performance on the platform and trying to understand who a good candidate is. So, and within that is a lot of NLP because the job space and people's skills and experience are very complex and often in unstructured text. So it sort of spans a really interesting problem space. As I said, search is probably the first use case where we started exploring bringing these small teams of together of engineering, data science, product management in a small team, kind of trying to get an MVP up. And we found that kind of really productive. And when we expanded that, we probably spent the first 6 months of the teams just going out trying to understand who their customers were, understand what their needs were far better. Because sometimes you produce a model file and then it gets shopped around the organization and you don't actually know who's using your service. So the first point of getting accountable was to find out, hey, who's using this thing and what for, and is it fit for purpose? Let's get some contracts written down about what we're trying to do here. And then, having that engineering capacity on board and that relationship with product, we probably did. I feel like we just released like 2 years of latent innovation from the data scientists who had all these great ideas but couldn't find a way to get it into production because they had to align roadmaps and get resourcing. So we had this really efficient period of just delivering stuff through alignment and engineering capacity. And then we kind of went back into platform building mode to scale again and go global.